Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to edit photo, Hypic app. Here are the steps to edit photo using the Hypic app on your mobile device. First, download and install Hypic app. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Hypic, and install the app. Open the Hypic app. Tap Open to launch the app. Then hit Allow. Grant permissions. Allow access to your photos and media when prompted. Edit. On the home screen, tap Edit button to start. Select a photo. Tap on all photos to browse your gallery and choose the photo you want to edit by tapping on it. Apply filters. Scroll through the available filters and tap one to apply it to your photo. Adjust settings. Tap on Adjust to fine-tune brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, and more. Use Portrait panel. Use features like smooth skin, reshape, retouch, or enhance facial features if editing portraits. Add text or stickers. Tap Text to add words, or tap to choose stickers for fun decorations. Crop or rotate. Go to Adjust again. Tap the Crop tool to resize, rotate, or change the photo's aspect ratio. Save or share. Once satisfied, tap Export to download the image or share the post directly to social medias. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.